Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we are going to look at the return of President Donald Trump, the 45th President of the United States, who is going to be sworn in today, Monday, January 20, 2025, as the 47th President of the United States. What does this mean for Nigeria and Africa? Welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, today, Donald Trump will be sworn in after his historic victory in the November 20th, 2024 election in America. What does this mean for Nigeria and Africa? First, let us look at what it means to Nigeria. Because the last time I checked, Nigeria was better off under President Donald Trump's first time as President of the United States. Why did I say so? Let us look at the numbers and what happened under Barack Obama. Barack Obama was the President of the United States of America between 2008 and 2016. Within that period, when an African American with Kenyan root was president, a lot of disaster befell our continent, courtesy of that administration. And even some of the challenges we had in Nigeria, he did not help. For example, don't forget that it took the American government under Barack Obama several years to declare Boko Haram a terrorist organization. Obama was prevaricating about declaring Boko Haram a terrorist organization. It was under Donald Trump that Boko Haram was declared a terrorist organization. When Nigeria was looking for arms to fight Boko Haram, we are looking for fighter jets from America. Barack Obama conveniently refused to sell fighter jets to Nigeria, citing the Lear's Law. The Lear's Law was a law that was enacted through Senator Lear in the United States, in which they used that Lear's Law to stop sale of arms to any country in which its armed forces are alleged to be using the arms to violate human rights. At that time, Barack Obama and his government claimed that the Nigerian soldiers who were battling Boko Haram were violating human rights. They cling on that and refuse to sell fighter jets for Nigerian government to fight Boko Haram. It was when Donald Trump emerged as President of America in 2016 that America began to do otherwise. And that was when the Tucano jets, go and read your history, go and Google it. It was under Trump that the Tucano jet that was used to decimate Boko Haram was supplied to Nigeria. Between what I just told you now about Trump years and Obama years, who do you think is a friend of Nigeria? Who do you think is a friend of Nigeria? When we look at it from the African perspective, let us look at it from African perspective. When Barack Obama was the president, that was when the crisis in Benghazi in Libya started. That was the time when the US government under Barack Obama as president, Hillary Clinton as the Secretary of State, instigated the overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi. Muammar Gaddafi was able to bring stability in Libya. He was able to bring stability in Libya. Libya was one of the most successful stories in Africa, economically and otherwise. That success was disrupted by Barack Obama and the Democratic Party. They instigated the violent overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi using the so-called Arab Spring as springboard. Gaddafi died, and with the death of Gaddafi, Libya became a failed state. As I talk to you now, Libya has so many factional leaders controlling sections of that country. And what was the consequences of that? Arms from Libya began to fly all over the sub-region. Today, much of the Sahel is unstable. Nigeria is unstable. Mali is unstable. Chad is unstable. Niger is unstable. Burkina Faso is unstable. Most of the Sahel are unstable because of the instability that was instigated by the United States government under Barack Obama. Today, Nigeria is awash with arms from Libya because the strong man of Libya was not there to bring stability. That was the price we have paid under the Democratic Party, under Barack Obama, whose vice president was Biden, whose government had been in power now until Donald Trump disrupted them again this year, last year's election, to be sworn in today as the 47th president of the United States. So, with the coming of Trump, you can know one thing. Trump will never do the kind of rubbish that Obama and the Democrats did in Libya that is causing instability in our continent, in our sub-region. Trump is not interested in waging foreign wars. Trump is more concerned about America first. Trump is more concerned about minding your own business. He's not in search of an empire in Africa. Trump is somebody who prides himself that he doesn't wage wars. His 4 years in America as president last time, America didn't fight any new wars. He prides himself as a peacemaker. Even though when he goes for peace, he goes with a sledgehammer to warn what will happen if peace was not pursued. Just like he warned that if Hamas doesn't take that deal before he's sworn in today, all hell will broke loose. And Hamas listened and signed the dotted lines. And Gaza war came to an end. Even Israel that was prevaricating about the peace process, they know that Trump, if Trump talks and you don't listen, there'll be a problem. And Netanyahu has to also succumb and agree for the ceasefire. He is coming for peace. That is good for Africa. He is not coming to wage new wars. He is coming to face America and put America first and make it great again. That should be consoling to Africans, that we are going to witness in the next 4 years a president that will face America, but that will also not be shy in facing the realities happening outside America, like what he did in Gaza, like how he broke out the Abrahamic Accord in his first term and established a flight link between United Arab Emirates and Tel Aviv. He can do much more this time around. I know people are worried because Trump is going to deport so many people. People are saying, oh, he's going to deport Africans. No, he will deport illegal aliens, illegal. And because Trump talked about what he will do, people thought that he is the worst in terms of deportation. In fact, it was Barack Obama that is known as the deporter-in-chief. He deported over 5 million. Go and check the record. Just go to Google and type the deporter-in-chief president in America. You see it's Barack Obama. But because Trump used to say his own out loud, people think he is the deporter-in-chief. He's going to continue what he said he will do. Of course, you know, they have problem in their border. There will be deportation. I can tell you from today, massive deportation will take place. But that should not be, don't be deceived by the media hype, by the mainstream media. Trump is fixated on his policies, and what he's going to do will be good for Nigeria. It will be good for Africa. And he will be able to speak truth to power in Nigeria. Remember when Christians were being killed in Nigeria and Muhammad Buhari visited Trump in the White House. Muhammad Buhari narrated this story. You can go and Google it. That Trump looked at him face to face at the White House and asked him, say, why are you killing Christians? He didn't ask him that I heard that you are killing Christians. He said, why are you killing Christians? And Buhari said that, no, he told him no. He said there were only 2 of them were in the Oval Office when Trump told him like that. And Buhari said that he told him no, nobody is not killing any Christian, that there was issues between herders and farmers, and that these are cultural things, and all the blah, blah, blah he explained to Donald Trump. But it just shows you that you have somebody in the White House who can talk directly like that to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So he is somebody that in the coming election in 2027, if there is any need for America to intervene in making sure that the rubbish that happened in 2023 does not repeat itself in 2027, you have a listening president at the White House. I can tell you that for free from what I have understood about Donald Trump. And I'm sure with his control of the security agencies, the CIA and what have you, he will be aware how the Democratic Party allow a lot of mess to happen in Nigeria electoral process. And 2027 will be different. Of course, the destiny of Nigerian political future going forward is in the hands of Nigerians. But it's also important to know that you have in the White House somebody who has a listening ear that could listen to the complaint of Nigerians. If the APC manipulates the election in 2027. Also, it should also be important to note that Trump's chief of staff is a woman who knows a lot about Nigeria. She has worked as a lobbyist for indigenous people of Biafra. It means that the Biafran agitators also have somebody close to the ear of the President of America. So Nigeria will also have to be careful how it treats people like Nnamdi Kanu and co, and ensure that due process of the law is followed. Because when the complaint of IPOB gets to the White House, there is a chief of staff that will help to bring it to the table of President Donald Trump. So with all this, you can say that indeed Trump is coming, Trump is back, and is likely to have positive impact for Nigeria and Africa. And given the record of the Democrats and the Republicans in the last couple of years, we have been better off under Donald Trump than under the Democratic Party. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.